Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your vocabulary with Lingoda, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Lingoda website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Lingoda account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see available courses. Select the language you want to focus on. Click on the option for vocabulary courses. Choose a specific topic or level that interests you. Start by watching the introductory video for that topic. Next, click on the vocabulary exercises provided. Engage with interactive flashcards to reinforce your learning. Take note of words you find challenging. Repeat the exercises multiple times for better retention. Utilize the online dictionary feature to explore definitions. Practice pronunciation using the audio options available. Join group classes to practice speaking with others. Participate actively in class discussions. After each lesson, review vocabulary lists provided. Use the mobile app for on-the-go learning. Set daily reminders to keep your vocabulary practice consistent. Track your progress through the dashboard metrics. Celebrate small milestones as you expand your vocabulary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.